Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are reviewing another foundation. I know I haven't kept up with my monthly reviews. I think I skipped one or two, but I've had such an amazing lineup of foundation reviews in the past. So in case you are interested, definitely check it out. All of the new launches like Fenty and Huda and all the affordable foundations like e.l.f. and also Sephora. If you are interested in any of those foundations that have come out this year, definitely check out my reviews. I'll link them down in the description box below. So today is probably the most affordable foundation that I've ever reviewed on my channel, and it's the AOA Foundation. If you haven't heard of AOA Foundation, this is kind of like the main foundation that's being sold in Shop Miss A's website. Shop Miss A is like an affordable makeup, beauty, accessories, and etc. They have good quality products that are an amazing buy. The most expensive item from their website is probably from $1.88 to $3. AOA Foundation is $1.88. This is supposed to be medium coverage foundation. It has a satin finish and it only has 15 shades. So I think they kind of group their shades from light to medium to tan or deep. And each category has like 5 different choices or shade ranges to choose from. I naturally picked the medium. Now, because I'm blind, I can't see the shade that I chose, but I will put it up here on the screen once I look it up. It's actually been a really good shade match for me. It's not like perfect. I do have kind of like a video where I've applied the foundation, and unfortunately it wasn't as clear as I'd like it to be because I'm still playing around with my phone, and so I'm still trying to figure things out. And unfortunately, I didn't have a nice recording of the whole foundation application for you guys, but it is a pretty good shade for my skin tone. This foundation claims to be a satin finish. It is vegan and cruelty-free, which is amazing. So yeah, it has that Leaping Bunny certified right there. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully it zooms in. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it's also paraben-free. And for $1.88 foundation, it didn't really get into the ingredients or kind of like whether it's a good for you ingredient, but you know, don't expect much. So let's get on with the findings. I have tried this foundation for several days, minimum 10 days total. And when I review the foundation, I review it over different types of skincare and makeup products to see if it works well with all the other products that I actually wear on my skin. So I have used this foundation with like primers, like one of my favorite primers, which is the Glam Glow primer right here. I have also used it with this new sample, the Tarte Quench Primer. It's so hydrating on the skin. And I've also used it with a Brightening Youth Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. If you're interested about like what you could get in a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box, definitely check out this video right here. But yeah, I've recently discovered more of Charlotte Tilbury. Like, I would never buy her products individually, but if it was like kind of on sale, I would jump into it. So I've tried it with pore filling primers, hydrating primers, and I found that this foundation, the AOA Foundation, really works well with a lot of skincare and also makeup products. I've never had any problems with like peeling or smudging. It was never cakey or oily on my skin. Like, I love the finish of this foundation. I mean, it worked really well with my skin. I have it on right now, so you can kind of see, you know, the look of this foundation. It's very flawless, but it's also not very full coverage. It truly is a satin finish. I think this foundation would be great for dry skin folks, normal, but also for combination skin types just like me. I love how versatile this foundation is. And I have to say, it never broke me out. And mind you, I was really scared about using this foundation because I was thinking it might not work out. It might give me acne. Like, what is it gonna do to my skin? But I have to trust that some affordable brands right now are really, really good. Like, e.l.f. has some of the most affordable makeup line, and they have some great, amazing products. I reviewed their e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and this is one of my favorite foundations of the year. However, that one was like around $14. So e.l.f., you're kind of getting a little bit expensive for me, but that's okay. There's a lot of skincare benefits to that e.l.f. Camo Concealer, so it was nice to have. It's not like you're overpaying for the foundation. For this one, however, I just had the lowest of all expectations. Sorry, Shop Miss A, AOA Foundation. I mean, it's $1.88. What can I say? I have to warn you, the dropper sucks. It kind of has a hard time grabbing the foundation. So when you squirt it out, it barely has anything. Sometimes only a little bit comes out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's all air. The foundation was a little liquidy, but it didn't really roll off of my skin. So it really still has that thickness to it and that coverage to it. So it's not super runny like other foundations I've tried that is super light coverage. So I love that about it. I would say it has a very natural finish. I feel like when they say it's a sand finish, there's a little sheen to it, but I think I'm more matte, that if anything. It's not bad. What do you guys think? It's not bad at all. So I'm really loving this foundation. Now, I have to say it's not very long lasting. And especially with my skin type, I mean, it eats up makeup every day. So this one has no fighting chance with my skin type. It lasts, I would say, a good 3 to 4 hours, and then that's it. Now, most foundations last around maybe 5 to 8 hours on my skin. So this one leaves pretty quickly. Like, I work part-time. By the end of the day, I mean, it's pretty much gone, other than my concealer. Like, my concealer still holds, I can definitely tell, but I definitely see the skin peeking through at the end of the day. I would say this is a perfect everyday foundation. So affordable. It says here there's 15 ml in this bottle. Normally half the amount of foundation that would be found in, let's say, like a Huda Beauty foundation. Like the Huda Beauty has, if I'm seeing this right, it has 35, I'm reading it upside down. It has 35 ml. Can you guys see that? Okay, I hope you can. Even though it's $1.88, you only get 15 ml, but even if you double this, like, hello, that's still just $3, right? $3.50. Let's just round it up to $4. Come on, you can't beat that price. It's even cheaper than Wet n Wild. This foundation, I feel like, thrives in its simplicity. Even though it doesn't have a lot of skincare benefits, it doesn't have a lot of the bells and whistles that sometimes come with certain foundations, like the blurring technology and all of that stuff. This one is really good. It has a good coverage. It doesn't turn orange or oxidizes on me. I've used it with a lot of setting sprays. I want to say I would stay away from like hydrating setting sprays, because that could quickly change the foundation from like a natural finish to a more dewy finish. And so if you have oily skin, I would stay away from that. So with mattifying setting sprays, mattifying primers, like, this is amazing on the skin. That is it, guys. I hope you liked this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I will link all of my other foundation reviews in the past couple of months in the description box below in case you are interested. Look forward to like the best of the best foundations of 2020, because there is definitely a lot of them. Otherwise, check out AOA Foundation. It is Terry's Corner approved. You can purchase it at Shop Miss A. I'll be having another Shop Miss A haul, more geared towards gifting and holiday shopping. So stay tuned. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out. Join the family, subscribe. Also, if you are in the holiday spirit, if you are looking for gift ideas, check out my advent calendar unboxings. There's a whole bunch of them. I have an advent calendar for each category: beauty, affordable, for your tweens, and also a stationary advent calendar. So definitely check those videos out. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.